Number 1. iRobot Roomba i3 Plus.
For 30 years now, we've designed iRobot products with one consideration in mind: how they'll improve people's lives. That's 30 years of looking at specific problems and building the right solutions, so that robotics can look like this and effortless tech can sound like this. At iRobot, the technology used to find explosives and study oil spills has evolved to map your home and clean your floors. And our app is opening up a future of possibilities in the smart home. So as homes get smarter, more connected, and more automated, our products will too. Innovation, quality, dependability, backed by excellent customer service and the iRobot warranty. That's the iRobot difference.
Number 2. Ecovacs D-Bot T8 AIVI. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 694. Number 4. Eufy RoboVac G30 Edge.
Happy birthday to you!
Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.
Low battery, heading home. Charging. Finished charging, resume cleaning.
Number 5. Roborock S4 Max. Multi-level memory. S4 Max precisely maps an entire level of your home and can recognize up to 4 levels using a PreciSense LiDAR system. Detailed movement management. Drop up to 10 no-go zones and 10 invisible wall on every level to keep away from precious items, troublesome furniture and more. Total app control. Control every part of your robot wherever you are, from scheduling to power level and more. Carpet boost dials up max suction when a carpet is detected, and the scratch-safe main brush knocks dust into the airflow. Long-lasting cleaning. One charge of its 5,200 mAh battery gives up to 180 minutes, or up to 3229 SQFT of cleaning. Number 6. Roborock S6 Max V. Reactive Al. Powered by twin cameras, Reactive Al allows Max V to recognize and avoid everyday objects. Genius Level Mopping. Click in the 297 ml Snap Mop system to unlock a suite of advanced mopping features. Suction to the max. A maximum suction power of 2,500 pascals means deeper cleaning. PreciSense. Combined with PreciSense LiDAR navigation system, home navigation is fast and efficient every time, day or night. Reach more floors. Every floor can have independent no-go zones, invisible wall, and no-mop zones.
I'm here, kitty kitty.